Welcome back to this series of tutorials on setting up master data for Zometric's online real-time SPC software. In this video, we'll focus on configuring work units. First, navigate to the Zometric real-time SPC module and click on menu, Configure Work Units. So, what exactly is a work unit? In Zometric, a work unit represents either a physical factory or an independent unit within a large factory. It also supports multiple time zones. If you need to manage multiple factories within a single Zometric tenant for easier management or cross-visibility, Zometric allows you to do this. If you have a large factory with multiple independent units that don't frequently share resources like operators, inspectors, or measurement equipment, you might consider setting up separate work units for each unit within the factory. However, if these work units do share resources often, it's better to consolidate them into a single work unit. To add a new work unit, click on Add Work Unit in the top right corner and give the work unit a unique name. Within each work unit, you can add a list of operators, inspectors, and measurement gauges by clicking on the green plus icon below each resource type. Once you've filled in all the details, click Save in the bottom right corner. And that's it. You've now set up a new work unit. Thanks for watching.